Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using HubSpot to manage customer support or service requests, you know how important it is to stay organized. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up and customize ticket, pipelines, and statuses inside HubSpot so you can streamline your support process and never let a customer slip through the cracks. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside your account, look at the main navigation bar across the top. Click on CRM. This is where all your customer management magic happens. Inside the CRM, find and click Tickets. This is your command center for handling customer inquiries. Think of it as the digital dashboard where all support requests live and move through different stages. To start setting up a pipeline, you need at least one ticket. Hit the Create Ticket button. A window pops up where you can add key details, ticket name, contact company, priority level, and any notes your team needs. The more context you add here, the easier follow-ups will be. When you're done, click Create to save it. Now comes the fun part, building a pipeline that fits your workflow. Click the Actions or Edit Pipelines option in the Tickets view. You'll see the default stages like New, In Progress, and Closed. You can add new stages to match your process, maybe awaiting customer reply, or escalated. Drag and drop to reorder stages so they reflect the exact flow your team follows. Rename or remove stages you don't need. Statuses give your team instant insight into where each ticket stands. Within each pipeline stage, you can create custom statuses such as pending review, on hold, or any terminology your team prefers. These labels help everyone know what action comes next. After you've fine-tuned your stages and statuses, click Save. I recommend running a quick test. Create a sample ticket and move it through each stage. This ensures everything works smoothly before your real customer inquiries roll in. And that's it. You've just set up and customized ticket pipelines and statuses in HubSpot, giving your support team a clear roadmap for every customer interaction. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.